Hello, welcome to Vibe Trading. My name is Don Okoro. We are in April already. I want to talk to you about the three top stocks I see value in this month of April. So let's quickly dive into our chart so that we can have some breakdown where we can break it down, and I can show you some key level where I see some value or where I'll be looking to get in and where I'll be looking to take profit. So let's quickly dive into our chart analysis here. So we are going to be looking at three stocks, and the three stocks we're going to be looking at are Boeing, Microsoft, and Uber. And the reason why we're going to look at these stocks are these stocks present us with opportunity. They move very fast. It has a very good liquidity, and it's very volatile. So these are the things we need for each of these stocks so that we can be able to get in and get out without tying our money down, because we are going to be swing trading these stocks. We're going to buy them, and when they hit our target, we're going to get out. So let's start with Boeing. I have it open right here already. When we look at Boeing, the last couple of weeks, Boeing was trading before we have the sell-off. It was trading around the 300 level before we had that sell-off. And we came to this level. This is where we find our support level at the $89. And what happened was the market bounced and it shot up to this level. This is where we are. This is where we find our resistance level. It is very important for us to map those levels. And what do we have here? We have this stock. We have this price movement. If you can look at it, you can see that right here we are at this level. We are at the $165 level, and our price target will be around the 186 level. That's about $20 move, and this stock has that it has everything to make that move. Like I said, it moves very fast. It's gonna present us with that liquidity, and it's very volatile. That's what we need. So we want to get in. We want to get in somewhere here, because when we look at our moving average, this is our moving average. This green line is our moving average, the 20-day moving average. It's breaking that level, so that tells me that it's moving to it's just about to go to the stage 2, and it's when it's in stage 2, that tells us that the bulls are in control. That tells us the buyers are in control of this market. So that is a very key level where I would like to get in, which I have already gotten into this position, and my price target will be the 186 level. But we just got to be patient. That is what we need to. That is one of the key elements, or that is one of the key things we need to be able to excel in this kind of environment. We have to be patient. We have to be able to map out those key level where we need to get in and where we need to take our profit. So on this very particular stock, like I said, we're gonna get in somewhere here. It's already trading above it. If the price hold above the moving average, that's a very good indication that the buyers are in control, and I like to see that, and I like to confirm it with my level 2 on a regular trading day, just to make sure that more buyers are coming in, and this stock can be able to run. Let's quickly look at this stock. Let's look at Boeing. Let's look at it from a very small time frame and just kind of see what it's doing. We're gonna go to the 5 days and just see what it's done in the last 5 days. So when we look at this, you can see that in the last 5 days it was trading around the 120 level, and it went all the way to 164. It sold off right to this 130 level or 140. I'm not gonna, I know it's gonna go back to that level because it's been there before. So I'm not gonna be too worried. I'm not just gonna be like, okay, it's not gonna go back. If you look at it from, from a very long time perspective, it's gonna go back to this level, and it's gonna go back to the 180. I think it's 186 level. That's that level where we look to take profit. And if it breaks that level and it maintains the level, our next target will be this level, which I don't think it's gonna go to that level anytime soon. But that is just the key level where we're gonna look to take profit and just kind of like lock in that profit. All right, let's quickly go to the next stock. I want to look Microsoft. Microsoft, it's a very, very great stock that presents us with a lot of opportunity. I see a lot of value in this. Microsoft has a very great business model. They keep bringing new idea, new content, new product in the market. And that is the catalyst. That is what we need to drive the price of the stock to a higher level. So when we look at this stock, we can see this is a very nice pattern it is presenting us. We can see that breakdown to this level. And when we look at it, you can see, the price of this stock sold all the way to the 134 level. And right now we are making our way to the uptrend, and we're making some higher high and higher low. So that is a very good indication that buyers are coming into the market. When the buyers are coming in, they're going to drive the price to a high, they're going to drive the stock price to a higher level. And that's what I love to see. When I look at this, I can tell you, okay, what's happening here is we are approaching some support level, some resistance level here. At this particular level, the 130, the 175 level. So if I get in, because right now we are trading at the 163 level, that is, that's about, I want to say about $10 move. It's really good. But if it breaks that level, my next target will be this level. It will be the 188 level. So when we get in this trade, where we like to take our first profit will be to take our first profit at this level. If it breaks that level, and our next target will be this level, does it have the catalyst? Does this stock have what it takes to drive the price to that higher level? Absolutely, it does have everything it needs to take. What we need to do is to just be patient. Just let the trade work, and just kind of like on a regular trading day, just look at our level 2 to just kind of like wait for that confirmation, before we take the trade. So let's just narrow down to our shorter time frame and just kind of get a very good perspective of what's going on here. So when we look at it from our last 5 days, we can see that the lowest we were trading was the 150. If you had bought it like maybe like the 3 days ago, that was like a $20 move. Think about it, $20 move. That's a lot of money for the last 3 days. It's made that move, and I do believe that it's just pulling back right now based on what I'm seeing. It's gonna pull back before it continue that move to the uptrend. Okay, so I will keep this on my watch list just to see what it's gonna do. But like I said, from all look of things, my targets, the first target will be this level, the 175 level, and the second target will be the 188 level. All right, let's go to the last stock, and that will be Uber. Uber, it's a stock that has been trading. The way it's moving, it's been moving in a way that you just gotta pay close attention to it. The stock is very volatile in some way, and it's very, and the liquidity is there. It moves very fast, and sometimes it tends to move a little bit slower, but what we need to understand is we need that liquidity. Okay, we need that liquidity, and if that liquidity is there, that means there is a lot of volume. When we look at our volume right here, we can see we have about 36 million people trading the stock, which is something I really like to see, some volume. Okay, so looking at this stock right here, it's just very easy to see where this stock is gonna go to. I know we are seeing some support, some resistance level here. So what I would do on this particular stock is to just wait for that confirmation on that $28 level. But right now what I need to do, that will be where I look to take profit. But if I go down to my shorter time frame, you can see what exactly. Okay, this particular stock. Okay, with this very particular stock, the target is that $28 level. It's hit our target. So what we need to do at this very moment is to just kind of wait for that pullback. It's pullback to the $25 level. We're gonna wait for it to kind of like pull back a little bit, and it's gonna pick back up, and our price target will be the $28. That will be where we look to take our profit. So if I just look at it, you see right here we found some support right there. That's some support. If it holds that support, it's gonna try to go back in the next coming week, and it's gonna try to go back in the next coming week, and where we look to take our profit, it's this level. All right, well, if you do enjoy this analysis, go ahead and click the like button, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can be able to get every update when I release any analysis. And thank you for watching. I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye.